Hello, I'm Alexander Padilla, and I'll be talking about lung cancer. So, what is lung cancer? The cancer of the lungs that is generally caused by different forms of smoking. There are three different types of lung cancer. There's non-small lung cancer, which, as it is explained in the name, and tends to be the most common and is slow acting. Small cell is a faster spreading cancer, but is far less known and common. And the other one, which would be lung carcinoid tumors, which is just an actual tumor on the lungs, tends to be the least common, but are simply a tumor on the lung. Each have their own treatments. So how exactly does this affect us and our health? Well, as you could guess, this is a deadly disease. Overall, it is the major scare, along with tons of medical expenses and so on, that would go on to getting treatment. This would not exactly be a cheap or easy procedure to just fix. A large sum of the population just doesn't know the research and warning preventions about lung cancer. But the best advice would be not to smoke or not to spend time around smoke due to secondhand smoking problems. Lung cancer is not common in the younger crowds, as it's generally caused by long-term smoking over many years. But that brings up the point to anyone in our class that may be a smoker now that you are putting yourself and those around you at risk to getting lung cancer anyway. Regardless of age or gender, even though older aged and males tend to have the higher percentage of lung cancer rates, we should all be aware of the facts of it. I mean, we are in a wellness class after all. So now let's talk about some of the research actually done over lung cancer. Smoking in general is the big cause for lung cancer. Smoking tobacco has been the main cause overall. In fact, 87% of all cases of death from lung cancer have been caused by smoking. For instance, over one-third of the population of the planet is a smoker, but to be specific, small cell lung cancer is extremely rare to any non-smoker. In a case study done in 2012, over 116,470 lung cancer cases were male and 109,690 were female. Also, the annual cause of death by secondhand smoke in the U.S. was over 50,000. Some may not also know that genetic mutations and being from a high smoker-friendly family have also been known to be the cause for lung cancer. So let's sum this up. Lung cancer, whether small or non-small celled or tumorous, should be taken very seriously. As it is such a common form of cancer, we should all be informed and understand ways that we can prevent ourselves from getting it regardless of our age or gender.